Ladies, if you wear wigs, weaves, braids, or extensions,
and if you're tender-headed like me,
or tangle just like me,
or have thick hair like mine,
or hate getting your hair combed,
keep watching.
Let's get into these shout outs. Mommy for Life, thank you so much for your support. Latrissa Morris, thank you for your support. Smile, I love you. Thank you so much for your support. Only One Miss Leah, thank you, Miss Leah, for your support. And Tawanda Vaughn, thank you for your support. If I butchered your name, blame it to the public school system, not my heart. Let's get into this video. Okay, let me catch y'all up to speed because y'all know we've been, inside. I don't want to say the big C word. And, I just been kind of bleh, to be honest with y'all. I just haven't really been on my game, inspired. I don't know. It's just been a downer for me. But anyway, I washed her hair like 3 days ago, y'all. So that's why it's looking like that. But notice it's still shiny because I deep conditioned it with the smooth through detangler. So I washed it, blow dried it, detangled it, did all of that. Then I braided it up. And I was like, you know what? I'm tired of looking at you looking crazy. It kind of depresses me. So let me get you together. So all I'm doing was separating her hair separating her hair from ear to ear. Y'all know I'm team pre-part. I don't fool around with all that off the fly stuff. Y'all know that. So what I did was I parted a cross in the back of her hair. So this is like a pie. It's like fractions. You just keep breaking them down into smaller sections. So the smaller, if you want the part smaller, you keep parting every half into half, if that makes sense. So like that half y'all see me do, I separated that into half. And then those that I'm separating and pinning up, I'm going to break those into half. Like you see here. That's all I'm doing. It's just fractions. So the smaller you want it, the more you break it up into half. If you want it bigger, then you do it bigger. I try to get the parts as uniform as possible. Now I am going to put the smooth through, no, I'm sorry. No, I'm not. I'm going to put the Perfect Assist Styling Aid on her hair. Now, the Perfect Assist Styling Aid is a moisturizing styling aid. My daughter, because of her hair color and her hair naturally is dry, but she has like a sandy color hair, and it looks drier than most. Her hair is like a brownish color, and it looks drier than most normal hair. So the styling aid works great for her when I use it in combination with the detangler as a deep conditioner. So I'm putting it along the root of her hair because, as you see, her hair is naturally cottony, it's naturally very frizzy. So the styling aid is going to help control and fight that frizz and, make her style look neat and polished. And she is talking me to death, so I have to keep moving her head around. And y'all going to see that. But I am using the styling aid at the root because, one, it helps to fight odor. Two, it helps to fight frizz. And I want to keep that hair moisturized. I'm going to use it. Well, you'll see. You guys will see. But I'm mainly focusing on the root. I don't want to put it along the length of her hair because of the style. And you'll see that further along in the video. You see I have to keep turning her head, y'all. She's just chatting away. So what I'm doing here, after I put the styling aid on her hair, I braided maybe about an inch past her scalp, as you see there. Not very much. And then I'm going to clip that out of the way. So now I'm just going to do the other sections. I always put the detangler at the root because it helps the hair to look more polished. Like, it helps to fight the frizz and odor. And of course, you guys know it's a moisturizer. But when I tie it down, it gives it that very nice, laid down, polished look. You guys know what I'm talking about. So this is one of those styles. If you see my last video, she saw her sister's hair in the one bun. And she was like, ooh, I like that. But I wanted to do something more age appropriate for her. So This is what it was, and she loved it. She really enjoyed it. You guys, you know I'm big on age appropriate hairstyles, and this little hairstyle is easy. Even if you can't braid, you can twist and do this hairstyle. So even if you like, oh, I can't braid, you can twist and do this, and it'll come out just as cute. And I'm sorry if y'all hear noise in the background. You know, I got children home, air conditioners going, fans going, so I apologize if you hear background noise. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to twist that and keep that out of the way. Like if you wanted to, you could do that, put that hair in a ponytail, add some cute little barrettes and twist it up. That would even look really cute. But you see how neat and polished it looks, and she has very cottony hair, and how it helps to lay her hair down. She stuck some food in her mouth as soon as I turned the camera on. And she started cracking up. She's so goofy, you guys. She's just so goofy. But what I'm doing in the front, because I got tired, I did those bigger in the front because I got tired. You ain't going nowhere. Like, I just want you to be put together in case you have to get on the computer for something. But, you know, hey, it is what it is right now. So if you want the front smaller, you could do the front in smaller sections. Even if you want them larger, you could do it in larger sections. So I'm taking some hair and I split her hair in half, and I put her hair in between, as you see those two sides hanging. And I'm trying to make sure they're even. So I'm going to put all of her hair in a ponytail. I don't know, y'all. I've been having cramps in my hands. And if anybody knows what causes finger cramps, can you leave it down in the comments? Because even when I was doing her hair, like I told y'all in the last video, um, my fingers started cramping when I was braiding. So I don't know. I don't know what that is. But what I did was the two sections of hair on the side, I added hair to those sections, and then it was her hair in the middle. And I just started braiding, as you see there. Now, what you could have done also, if you didn't want to add the hair in the middle, you could do the feed in method with this style and then braid it all together at the end. But I really wanted something quick and easy, and you pull together if we have to run out, if we have to, you know, go to an appointment or something like that. I just wanted you to be pulled together. I wasn't trying to do a lot. I just wanted you to be presentable if we had to go somewhere. And this style can last you about maybe 2 or 3 weeks if you tie it up properly. So I mean, you'll get your money's worth, especially when you use the Perfect Assist styling aid to braid it down, because the Perfect Assist styling aid has a like a light to medium hold. So if you use more, it'll have more of a hold. If you use less, of course, it will have less of a hold. But because I know I wanted her hair to stay up a couple of weeks, so I was a little more generous on the hold. And as you can see, her hair has a nice, healthy hair luster. It doesn't look greasy. It doesn't look like super duper duper shiny. It just has that healthy hair luster because the styling aid isn't greasy. Even though it's a moisturizing styling aid, it's very well balanced with butters and oils, but it isn't greasy, as you can see there. Y'all, it took me forever to braid this braid because my fingers felt crampy. It was just, I don't know. If anybody knows what's the cause of that, please leave it in the comment section so I can look more into it and see what I'm doing. I noticed that my fingers was, I mean, they were like cramping bad. It was horrible. Y'all see her, she just fidgeting away. And I'm trying to get this braid braided all the way down to the end, and my hands are cramping. And that's pretty much it, guys. Get this video to 50 likes so I can do a giveaway. 50 likes in 7 days from the date I drop it, and I will do a giveaway. Don't forget to thumbs up. Guys, hit your bell notification and hit it again. Hit it twice because I'm subscribed to certain people and I wasn't getting their videos, so I don't know if it's doing the same thing with my channel. I wasn't getting people that I'm subscribed to videos. So make sure your bell notification is on. Like, thumbs up the video, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. This is pretty much self-explanatory. Thanks, guys, for watching. Thanks to my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your input. And I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.